Hello everyone, welcome to our next lecture, Survey Sensors, RGB, LiDAR, Thermal and Multispectral. In drone surveying, the drone itself is only part of the system. What truly determines the type of data you collect is the sensor attached to the drone. Different sensors capture different kinds of information, and choosing the right sensor depends on the purpose of your survey mission. In this lecture, we'll explore four important types of survey sensors: RGB cameras, LiDAR sensors, thermal cameras, and multispectral sensors. Let's start with the most common sensor used in drone surveying, the RGB camera. RGB cameras capture images in the red, green, and blue color spectrum, which is the same spectrum visible to the human eye. Most consumer and professional drones use high resolution RGB cameras for aerial photography and mapping. These cameras are commonly used for photogrammetry based mapping, where hundreds of overlapping images are captured and processed into orthomosaic maps and 3D models. RGB sensors are widely used in construction mapping, land surveying, infrastructure monitoring, and urban planning because they provide clear, detailed visual images of the terrain. Next, let's look at LiDAR sensor. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. Instead of capturing images, LiDAR sensors emit thousands of laser pulses every second towards the ground. These laser pulses bounce back after hitting surfaces, allowing the sensor to measure extremely accurate distances. The result is a dense 3D point cloud which represents the shape and structure of the terrain. One major advantage of LiDAR is its ability to penetrate vegetation. This allows surveyors to capture the underlying ground surface even in areas covered by trees or dense forest. Because of its high accuracy, LiDAR is widely used in forestry mapping, large scale terrain surveys, infrastructure planning, and environmental studies. Now let's talk about thermal sensors. Thermal cameras detect heat differences instead of visible light. They capture temperature variations across surfaces and convert them into thermal images. Thermal sensors are particularly useful for inspections and monitoring applications. For example, they can detect heat loss in buildings, identify overheating electrical components, and monitor solar panels. In agriculture, thermal sensors can also help identify irrigation issues and plant stress. Finally, we have multispectral sensors. Multispectral cameras capture light across multiple wavelengths, including some that are invisible to the human eye, such as near infrared. These sensors are especially valuable in precision agriculture. By analyzing how plants reflect different wavelengths of light, multispectral sensors can help farmers assess crop health, detect disease, and optimize fertilizer usage. They are also used in environmental monitoring, forestry management, and vegetation analysis. Each of these sensors, RGB, LiDAR, thermal, and multispectral, serves a different purpose and provides unique types of data. Professional drone surveyors select the sensor based on the specific needs of the project, whether it's mapping terrain, analyzing crops, inspecting infrastructure, or generating highly accurate 3D models. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to choose the right drone for a surveying project based on factors such as mission size, sensor compatibility, and accuracy requirements. Thank you.